This assessment asks us to use a reaction coordinate diagram to show why a one-step reaction might be faster when a catalyst is employed. So let's start by just drawing that reaction coordinate diagram for our uncatalyzed one-step reaction. And we're going to make this reaction, we'll have it start here, we'll have it be relatively favorable with a high activation energy. So going from reactant to product is favorable, but because our activation energy is high, it is slow. Using a catalyst, catalysts lower the activation energy, so we're going to assume that this is still one step. But being catalyzed, the activation energy is going to be lowered, and so now we have our new activation energy here. By lowering the energy of the transition state, we have lowered the activation energy, and a reaction with a lower activation energy is going to be faster.